Yes, students, this is question number 5 of exercise 2.1. Find the perimeter of triangle ABE and the rectangle BCDE in this figure and whose perimeter is greater. बच्चों, इस फिगर के अंदर we need to find the perimeter of triangle ABE and rectangle BCDE. फिर आपको बताना है कि किसका perimeter बड़ा है. So perimeter of triangle, it is equal to sum of its three sides, means AB plus BE plus EA. So perimeter of triangle ABE, it is equal to 5 upon 2 centimeter plus 2 3 by 4 centimeter plus 3 3 by 5 centimeter. So first of all, in my first step, I will convert these mixed fractions into improper fractions. So this is equal to 5 upon 2 centimeter plus 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 3, 11 upon 4 plus 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 3, 18 upon 5 centimeter. Now I will add them all. You see बच्चों, इनके अंदर डिनोमिनेटर सबके डिफरेंट हैं, तो इनके डिनोमिनेटर्स को सेम बनाने के लिए सबसे पहले मैं इनके डिनोमिनेटर्स का एलसीएम लूँगी. मीन्स 2 4 5 का एलसीएम लेंगे तो 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4 और 5 as it is. Now there is no other common prime factor here, तो हम एलसीएम कैसे निकालेंगे? 2 into 2 into 5. That will give you 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. Now we have to make their denominators 20. I have written 20 as their common denominator. अब यहाँ पर 2 को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करूँगी कि वो 20 बने? 2 into 10 means here 5 is also multiplied by 10, तो 5 into 10 50. यहाँ पर 4 को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे कि 20 बने? 4 into 5, तो 11 को भी किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे? 5 से, तो 11 into 5 55. यहाँ पर अब 5 into 4 क्या होगा? 20, तो 18 into 4 72. Now I will add up all these numerators. इन्हें ऐड कर दीजिए. 2 plus 5 7. Now here 7 plus 5 12. 12 plus 5 17. So what you have got? 177 upon 20. Now it is an improper fraction. यहाँ पर न्यूमरेटर बड़ा है डिनोमिनेटर से, तो इसे कन्वर्ट कर देते हैं मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन के अंदर. 177 डिवाइडेड बाय 20, तो ये किस पे जाएगा? 20 into 8, 160. Now here 7 and 7 minus 6 is 1. So you have got 17 as remainder. अब इसे कैसे लिखेंगे इन मिक्स फ्रैक्शन के अंदर? 8 17 upon 20. So this is your perimeter of triangle ABE. Now in second part we have to find the perimeter of a rectangle, right? So we know perimeter of rectangle, it is equal to 2 multiply length plus breadth. ठीक है, तो rectangle perimeter of rectangle BCDE, it is equal to 2 multiply, what is its length? Its length is equal to BE, means 2 3 by 4 centimeter. So I will write here in bracket BE plus its width is DE, right? Plus DE. Now it is equal to 2 multiply BE, it is equal to 2 3 by 4, 2 3 by 4 plus, and this is equal to ED, it is equal to 7 upon 6, right? So here in my first step, again I will convert this mixed fraction into an improper fraction. So 4 into 2, 8, 8 plus 3, 11. 11 upon 4 plus 7 upon 6. तो बच्चों, अकॉर्डिंग टू बोडमास रूल फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू सॉल्व दिस ब्रैकेट. ठीक है, अब यहाँ पर 4 और 6 दे बोथ आर डिफरेंट, तो इनका हमें क्या लेना पड़ेगा, एलसीएम. 4 और 6 का एलसीएम लेंगे. व्हाट यू विल गेट, 2 2 ज़ा 4, 2 3 ज़ा 6. सो इट्स एलसीएम, इट इज़ इक्वल टू 2 इंटू 2 इंटू 3. You will get 2 2 ज़ा 4, 4 3 ज़ा 12. LCM कितना आया हमारे पास, 12. तो it is equal to 2 multiply, I will write 12 as their common denominator. Now 4 into 3 is 12. तो 11 into 3, 33 plus 6 into 2 is equal to 12. 6 को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, 12 बने 2 से, तो 7 को भी किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, 2 से. 7 into 2, 14. Now in next step I will add these numerators. What I will get, 4 plus 3, 7, 1 plus 3, 4, 47 upon 12. Right, now here I will remove the bracket. 2 into 47 upon 12. So 2 6 are 12. So what you will get, 47 upon 6. Right, now I will convert this fraction into a mixed fraction. So 47 is divided by 6. 6 sevens are 42. 7 minus 2 is 5. So I will write it as 7 5 upon 6 centimeter, which is the perimeter of rectangle BCDE. Now students, this is the perimeter of triangle 8 17 upon 20. So 8 17 upon 20, and here I have 7 5 upon 6. Now you can clearly see students, this is 8 is a whole number and here 7 is a whole number. So from here I can say the perimeter of triangle is greater because 8 is greater than 7. So we can say perimeter of triangle ABE is greater.